What's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Khalil and I'm a professional photographer based in the Bay Area, California. On this channel, I'm going to be teaching you how to become a better photographer from beginner to pro. If you don't want to go pro, that's fine. Still take you from beginner to comfortable with your camera and settings to be able to take a nice photo. I made tens of thousands of dollars with photography, and I want to show you how to do the same. Going over gear, different techniques, camera settings, portrait photography, sports photography, landscape photography, travel photography, all around photography. I went to college for photography, and it took me years and years of trial and error to get to where I'm at today. So if I can help you speed up your process and get to where I'm at today, then I'll be happy. It's gonna be going on some nice shoots and going over settings, gear, you name it, how to print your work, how to start an art gallery, and the list goes on. A lot more information down there in the link below. Check it out, and I look forward to teaching you how to become a better photographer.